I want to connect the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband to my phone, so I turn on the neckband. But after turning on Bluetooth, the Hoco ES64 Ultra device is not visible on the phone. If the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband device is not visible on the phone, let's see how to solve it. First, make sure that your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, then charge it first. Keep charging the neckband for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the neckband is charged, try connecting it to the phone. If the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband still does not connect to the phone, then follow the second method. Turn off the power switch for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn it back on after 5 to 10 seconds. Now try connecting the neckband to the phone. Hoco ES64 Ultra is now visible on the phone. Now connect the neckband to the phone. Finally, the Hoco ES64 Ultra is now connected to the phone.